Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. We're looking at top-down, bottom-up shades, and oftentimes I show one aspect of it, but this time I'm going to show a few different things so that you have a really good idea of what a top-down, bottom-up shade will look like. Now this is a honeycomb shade, so as we look at it we can see that it has the pleats. So this is called light rise. So it just means that it has these handles and you raise it up to the top. Nice closure. It has a magnetic catch on the Hunter Douglas Applause so that there are no gaps all the way across. If you go down to the bottom, there's another handle here to lift the bottom rail. Lift the bottom rail, it goes all the way to the top. And this is the question that I get asked a lot. How much of the window am I going to lose here? This distance is 3¼ inches. But the window itself is only 36 inches tall. So if your window is much taller, then this space between here and here, these two rails, can get a little taller. So let's say maybe like that. Let's say your window was 96 inches tall. Not that you would, but then you could have a stack maybe in the 4½ inch range. Give you an idea. But in this one, it's short. It's only 3¼ So I wanted you to see that overall stack, and if you pulled it to the bottom, the other thing that you have to be aware of, the stack at the bottom, very small, but you have to have the room for it, so that's about 1½ inch at the bottom. See these cords? Now I'm going to step back. Do you still see the cords? If you do, barely, but you have to know that they're there. When you do a top-down, bottom-up shade, oftentimes they have these cords. Now keep in mind that there are other options. There are products out there that would eliminate them from there. They would be available with just the side. But I wanted you to have a really good understanding of how that would look overall. And I think that was a pretty good observation. So hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.